Hi, I'm Daniel Fernback from MarineMax out of Brick, New Jersey, standing here on the Galeon 420 Fly. Let's go take a look. You're going to see this is a hydraulic swim platform. The staircase, as this lowers, it's fixed towards the hull, and you get to walk straight up, which is a nice feature. Coming aboard and unique to the Galeon 420, you're going to have this aft seat that's actually on tracks. So if you're not underway and you need more room and you're everything in the cockpit, slide this back, and when you're underway, pull it forward, and then you have access to a larger swim platform and everything as well. Moving interior, this seat actually picks up, slides over, and now it's a big U-shaped seating that brings the inside to the outside. Complete sliders that go all the way through. Triple sliders, so you have a door, the door opens, and then you actually move the other sliders over, and they fold into each other to have a nice cohesive environment. This boat also comes equipped with the Volvo D6s, which is the standard propulsion. There's no optional upgrade. This is the engine package that works perfectly with the boat, and they're straight shafts. Inside, you're going to have a nice table. The table actually twists and then opens up. One of the things you're going to find with the Galeons is they have a complete vertical integration. They do 100% of the woodworking, they do all the fiberglass, the teak work, everything internal, so it's better for the quality control, and you can really see it pays off pretty well. Again, moving forward. The Helm Station's gorgeous. You have the black back inlay, design of the actual boat etched into it. This one has a bow thruster, and then again, twin straight shafts. The Raymarine equipment. One of the nicest features of the boat, you have a solid windshield with no partition going down, which allows for great visibility. If you walk below, you're going to see that the galley is down, which is nice and out of the way from all the environment, so you can do all your cooking and activities and everything down here. Also, you have a full-size fridge and freezer. The mid-berth, you can have 2 twin beds, or you can move and have a filler, which makes it a queen. You have your own closets. Again, the woodworking, solid core doors, a lot of attention to detail, and you can see if you look up, plenty of natural light that cascades through. Forward, you have the V-berth, which is the master on this boat. Natural light allows for everything to come through, and then you're going to be able to have windows on either side to look out. Very good. So we were just in the VIP, which is the master with the private head. This is the day head. Let's go check out the fly, which is probably my favorite portion of the boat. As you walk up the fixed stairs, which is easily accessible, you find a grill, refrigerator, everything puts away, then plenty of wraparound seating, nice sizable table, the bimini that comes all the way up. Then you're going to have redundancy, so you're going to have the exact same everything that you have downstairs at the main. You're going to have your Raymarine screen, your Volvo, your bow thruster, and your controls as well. If you'd like more information, again, my name is Daniel Fernback from MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Love to chat with you.